Hello, Girl Scouts. My name is Mrs. F. I'm a troop leader in New Jersey. These videos will walk you through making a Felt Angel Ornament by Artsy Craftsy Mom. Here are the supplies you'll need. My girls received a kit with the template for each body part, a small amount of black 6-strand embroidery floss, a small cardboard card with 2 colors of thread, a needle. My girls received theirs stuck to a small amount of magnetic strip tape, and a small section of gold pipe cleaner, and a stack of felt pieces. Each of the felt pieces corresponds to the same item on the template. However, I've drawn it backwards on the back side of the felt. So when you lay your pieces down, you're going to flip them over so that the pen marks are on the back. So everyone should have hair, a face, a light green dress, a base piece on gold colored felt, white wings, and a piece of red felt. The red felt is what you cut the heart or the hair bow out of. If you're not going to use the halo, the pipe cleaner for the halo, use the red felt to cut out a hair bow. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut out our felt pieces. Once your felt pieces are cut, you're going to need the face because you need to embroider the eyes.